Exploring Idioms, Unveiling Goblin Footprints. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, goblin footprints. This phrase isn't just about mythical creatures. It's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's embark on this journey together to understand its meaning and usage in the English language. Stay tuned as we unveil the mystery behind goblin footprints. Interestingly, the phrase, goblin footprints, is not a common idiom or expression in standard English. It seems to evoke a vivid image, doesn't it? When we think of goblins, we picture small, mischievous creatures from folklore. Their footprints could symbolize traces of mischief or unseen, yet impactful actions. However, since this phrase is not a standard idiom, its interpretation can be quite flexible. It might be used creatively to describe situations where unexpected or unexplained events have occurred, leaving behind evidence or effects that are hard to trace back to their origins, much like how one might imagine a goblin leaving footprints without being seen. Goblins have been part of folklore and myth for centuries, often depicted as cunning or malevolent. The imagery of their footprints brings to mind secrets, mysteries, or the hidden influences in our lives. This phrase could serve as a metaphor for the subtle yet powerful impacts that small actions or decisions have on our lives, reminiscent of the butterfly effect in chaos theory. The concept also plays into the idea of leaving a mark on the world or in someone's life. Just as goblin footprints would be an unexpected sign of an invisible presence, so too can our actions leave behind effects that might not be immediately noticeable but are significant over time. Given its non-standard nature, goblin footprints could be used creatively in storytelling, literature, or to add flair to our daily language. Here are a few examples of how it might be used. In literature or storytelling, the detective noticed the goblin footprints in the case, those small clues that hinted at a larger, unseen mystery. In daily conversation, ever since the new policy was implemented, we've been seeing goblin footprints all over the project's progress. In professional settings, the consultant's advice left goblin footprints across the company, subtly altering its culture. While goblin footprints may not be a common phrase in English, its imagery and potential applications are rich and varied. It speaks to the power of language to evoke imagery, convey complex ideas, and enrich our communication. We hope this exploration has sparked your imagination and enhanced your understanding of how creative expressions can be used. Remember, language is not just about rules and grammar. It's also a playground for creativity. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.